Once again, I welcome to the online classes of vector calculus. Very good morning, and in the previous classes we are discussing the practical problems now. So here now also we are going to continue all those, and if possible I will give the hints and I will give remaining as a homework. Okay. So and see here, till now we discussed 28 problems, and the 29th problem is write down find the equation of the plane. Find the equation of the plane which is tangent to the surface x square plus y square minus 2z cube x square plus y square minus 2z cube is equal to 0 at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1 at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. So first of all what they are asking, find the equations of the plane which is tangent to the surface. So first of all we have to consider the function, and next we have to calculate the grad f, and they gave one point, no, so we have to calculate the value of the grad f at that point also, and then with that point we have to make one equation by taking the variables x comma y comma z. Okay, and finally we have to calculate the constant value. So now listen clearly. So now here I am taking that some f is equal to x square plus y square minus 2z square. Okay, now here I am taking that grad f, that means dou by dou x comma dou by dou y comma dou by dou z of x square plus y square minus 2z square. I am going to write directly, please you don't write like that, write step by step. Okay. So now here dou by dou x of this one means here what we get 2x comma, the next what we get 2y comma minus 4z, right? So this is the grad f, and what they mentioned the point at 1 comma 1 comma 1. So therefore grad f is equal to 2 comma 2 comma minus 4. Now therefore the tangent is 2x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to some constant. We don't know that constant, maybe it is a 0 or maybe it is nothing but some value, right? So now here we have to find that point, right? So now here given that 1 comma be a point, so that's why here simply I have this one, no, simply I took the addition, that's it. This is the tangent one, and here again I am going to substitute the value here. So then 2x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to 2 of 1 plus 2 of 1 minus 4 of 1. 2 plus 2 minus 4. So 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. Therefore the equation, they asked to find the equation. That's why here I calculated like this. Therefore the equation is, just now wait, I'll check the answer. So here the equation is two x plus 2y minus so actually here it is z cube, no ma, in the question they gave that it is z cube, not z square. Then it is 6z square. Now it is minus 6. Now it is minus 6z, and here two x plus 2y minus 6z is equal to 0. Okay. Minus 2. So therefore the constant value is nothing but minus 2. So I did a mistake. See, x square plus y square minus 2z cube they gave, and I took that it is nothing but some z square. So that's why here I got the one value as nothing but some minus 4 ma. So this is nothing but the correct answer. So in the question they gave that it is z cube, not z square. Okay. So now simply for this one I calculated grad f, and after that I substituted the point. Again I substituted the point because I have to know the constant value. The next write down, prove that grad square of 1 by r is equal to 0. Okay. So now here first of all for this one I have to prove this. So for this what I am going to do, first of all I have to know the value of the r. So that's why here we know that r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Now r is equal to under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Otherwise we can write it as a x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Okay. So now here I am taking that 1 by r, that means x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. Otherwise you can write that 1 by this value and take the denominator value to the numerator, then you will get that one only. So I have 1 by r. Now here I am calculating, I have to calculate grad square of 1 by r. So for this one simply what I am doing is directly instead of calculating grad square and so on, simply here I am taking that grad of grad. Okay. So already you know that one. So that's why here I am taking that grad of 1 by r, that means dou by dou x comma dou by dou y comma, otherwise for this one we will get lengthy procedure. So that's why individually I will calculate. Now here dou by dou x of 1 by r. Okay, I am differentiating this, otherwise first of all I will write the formula here. Now grad pi is equal to dou by dou x comma dou by dou y of comma dou by dou z of 1 by r. Okay. So now here I am taking it as a dou by dou x of 1 by r comma dou by dou y of 1 by r comma dou by dou z of 1 by r, and I am taking it as equation number 1. Now first of all I am calculating dou by dou x of 1 by r. Then what we get, dou by dou x of, what is 1 by r, x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 x to the power of n into x to the power of n minus 1 into inner function derivative is 2x. So 2 get cancelled, minus we have minus x of x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2. Okay. So this is nothing but dou by dou x of 1 by r. So here directly we can calculate, actually we can find that the value of the grad square directly also we can take. Then what we get here, dou square by dou x and so on, like this we will get. So directly here I am calculating, it is somewhat easy to calculate. Then again dou square by dou x square of 1 by r means dou by dou x of minus x of x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2. So then what we get, minus outside, again here we have to use that u into v formula. Then x of minus 3 by 2 into x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2 minus 1 minus 5 by 2 into 2x. Okay, plus this value x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2 into 1, the derivative of this one. Okay. Now 2 and 2 get cancelled, and here minus into minus plus 3 x into x square and x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 5 by 2. Then plus here what we get, simply we will get that plus into minus minus, here we have minus. So minus x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay, otherwise directly you can take that this value. Okay. So now here simply excuse me, similarly you have to calculate all the values like a dou square by dou y square of 1 by r. You have to calculate this one. So, you will get it as nothing but some 3y square of and next final value is dou square by dou z square of 1 by r is equal to 3z square of x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 5 by 2 minus x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2. We will get like this. So, now we have to substitute all the equations. That means equation 2 and this is equation 3 and this is equation number 4 in equation number 1. So, now simply from 1 what we get, grad square of 1 by r is equal to, what is the equation number 2 ma? 3x square of x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 5 by 2 minus x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2. Next, actually here what is the formula, please once recheck it. So, when we will take only grad, then simply we will get comma, but when we will take grad dot grad, then we will get the value like this, plus, in terms of the plus we will get, okay. Right, please once check it ma. So, here I gave firstly comma, so that is nothing but grad f value, but when we will take grad into grad dot grad, then definitely we have to take that plus, okay. So, already I said to you. Next here plus 3y square of x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 5 by 2 minus x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2, okay. Next, here we have that the next value is nothing but plus 3z square. So, just give a second.